Did you see the screen? Do you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So we were doing the steps in arithmetic progression, and I think I explained you the basics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We did the first question as well. I think we only did the basics. We didn't start with the exercise or the questions. So we'll just start with the questions in this class. We'll just quickly have a revision. I told you what is an arithmetic expression. Now can you tell me what's an arithmetic expression?
What, ma'am?
Do you hear me, Umair?
Yeah, you're a bit laggy.
Can you tell me what is an arithmetic expression?
Yeah.
So tell me, Umair.
No. I can hear you, but I can't understand what you're saying.
1 second. Umair, do you hear me now? Am I clear?
Yeah.
Is it clear? My voice is clear, right? I'm asking you, can
Yeah.
you explain me what is an arithmetic expression?
What's an arithmetic expression?
Yeah.
Yeah, the addition of numbers or subtraction of numbers in a rhythmic way.
Okay. So now what are the various important topics that we have to study? Like what is the meaning of a term of an expression?
A term is like A1, A2, A3.
So the individual numbers of an arithmetic expression is called terms of the expression. Okay, what is the meaning of first term? What is the meaning of common difference? And what is the meaning of last term?
First term is the first term and second term is the last term is the last term. The common difference is the difference between the first term and the second term.
Okay. The first term is the first term. Very good. Is this voice coming from your end?
What?
Is the voice of the notification sound coming from your end?
Yeah, ma'am.
Please put it off. Now, okay, so fine. We will start with finding whether the given expression, the given progression is AP or not. Okay, so we have various terms over here. So it's 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2. First of all, we have to write the first term and the common difference. So first term is the first term according to me. So the first term, what is it now? Tell me the first term. Open up your mic and speak.
3 by 2 is the first term.
Exactly. A1 is 3 by 2. And what is the common difference?
Oh, 2 by 2. 1. Minus 1.
1. How?
Minus 1.
How is it minus 1?
Like 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2.
Yeah, so the formula for common difference is A2 minus A1, right? First, you have to write the formula itself. So formula of D is A2 minus A1. That becomes 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That becomes minus 2 by 2. And we know that equals to minus 1, right? That's how we got D as minus 1. Now, next is which of the following list of numbers is an AP, and if they form an AP, write the next two terms. So to check whether the given terms are AP or not, the difference must be equal, right? You should have a common difference in that. So what you will do, the A2 might see, first of all, you name them A1, A2, A3, A4, right? So A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2 should be equal to A4 minus A3, right? If it is equal, then only the given progression is AP, right? So you will calculate this value. So what do we have? We have 10 minus 4 is 6. Then we have 16 minus 10 again 6. 22 minus again 6. Right? So write 6 is equals to 6 is equal to 6. Thus common difference is 6 and thus it forms 7. Right? And now how will you calculate the next two terms? See, we have the formula to calculate the nth term of an AP. That also we discussed in the last class. What is the formula to calculate the nth term of an AP? A plus n minus 1 and then D. Right? With the formula. So what is A now? Now, what term I have to find? I have to first find the fifth term. So A5 is equal to A1. A means A1. So A1 is how much? 4 plus. Fifth term means n minus 1 becomes 4 and common difference is 6. So that becomes 4 plus 24 and your fifth term is 28. Right? Similarly, you can find the sixth term. A6 is 4 plus, for sixth term you will multiply with 5 and it becomes 4 plus 30 and your answer is 30. So these are the next two terms. So you understand how we do this question? Okay. So try doing the second one. Write everything, okay? Write the proper statements. Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, done. Not done. Do it. Yeah, ma'am, done.
Okay, tell me the solution.
Uh, A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2 should be equal to A4 minus A3
Okay.
minus 1 minus plus 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus minus 1 should be is equal to minus 2 and minus 5 minus minus 3 is equal to minus 2 and
The
then
common
the
difference is
sixth
minus. The first term is 1. So what is the fifth and the sixth term?
what
What is the fifth and the sixth term?
yeah the fifth term minus 7 because A5 should be plus n minus 1d then 1 plus 4 minus into minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 8
Minus 9 you should get.
what
You should get -7 and -9. Are you getting that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's correct then. Now we come to the next one. Again, you can just see, you just solve it directly only. See two. First of all, just tell me, do you think common difference is equal? You will have 2 minus 2 will give you 4. Here you will have 4. Then -2 and -2. Now here you get -4. Now 2 minus 2 you get -4 again. And -2 gives you -4. So we are having 4 as a common difference. Then -4, then 4, then -4. So even though the magnitude is same, but the sign is different. So that's not equal, and thus this is not an equal. Now for the next one, here you get 0, 0. Here you get 1, 0, 0. Here you get 1, 0, 0. That's not an equal, right? So only first and second are 80, other two are not 80. Now we come to the question. I think we started discussing the questions. I just remembered these, explaining you the taxi fare and the cylinder question, right?
Yeah.
Remember, explain it.
Yeah.
No problem, we'll do them again. So the first question says taxi fare for each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So first of all, you form the sequence. When you travel 1 kilometer, the taxi fare is how much? 15. When you travel one more kilometer, what do you get? Plus rupees 8, right? You get plus rupees 8. So what do you get? 23. When you travel further 8 kilometers, you get plus 8 again. So 31. Again, you get 39. And so on, you keep on getting. You get 47. And so on. So you see now, since I've added 8, 8, 8, 8. So the common difference is how much? 23 minus 15, -8, -8, -8. That's the common difference. And thus it is common an 8. Right? So the first one is an 80. The second one is the amount of the air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pumps remove 1/4 of the air remaining at the cylinder at a time. Now it's a very
It's
good and
plus 8.
interesting. Yes, Umair?
It's plus 8, right?
The common difference 23. Okay, 23 minus 15 plus 8. Plus 8. Okay. Now the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So let's suppose you have a cylinder with you and it has V volume of gas in it. Now the pump is removing 1/4 of the volume every time. 1/4, right? Yeah. So tell me now when the gas removed 1/4 from it. So now what is the volume left? V minus V/4, isn't it? Because the pump is removing 1/4. So now how much it is? 3/4. Now again, when one more time the pump is used, so 3V. 3V/4 minus V/4 again, right? So how much it becomes? 2V/4. Now again 2V/4, when again the pump is used, 2V/4 minus V/4. So you get just V/4 only. And now what is the series that we get? We get V, we get 3V/4, we get 2V/4, and then we get V/4, right? So tell me, is it an AP or not?
Then 80.
It's an AP, right? So the second one is also forming an AP. Then third one is the cost of digging a well after every, the cost of digging a well. 1 second. The cost of digging a well after every meter digging when it costs rupees 150 per meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Okay, you remember we studied that it's the same as first one. Okay. 150, then 150 plus 50, then plus 50, then so do this one on your own. Do it, form an AP, find the common difference, write the first term and write the proper statement. Yes, yes, it is like that. Yes, done, Umair? Have you completed, Umair?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, is it an AP or not?
It's an AP.
It's an AP. And what are the terms?
A is 150, B is 50.
150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and so on. Okay, the fourth one says amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at a compound interest of 8% per annum. Now you tell me what is the formula for compound interest. I taught you in the last class.
Ma'am?
Yes, Umair.
Yeah, can you repeat what you said?
You didn't hear me? I'm saying, tell me the formula for compound interest. I taught you in the last class.
100 plus 100, 8 by 100 into
You just
the
remember 8
money,
by 100. Tell me the whole formula.
like the, what do you call, the principal into
Amount.
8 by 100.
Just 8 by 100 or 1 plus 8 by 100
Into the time.
to the power time. Okay. R by N to the power time. Okay. So what do we do with here? First of all, you have it. Amount is equal to, what is the principal? 10,000. 1 plus 8 by, now number of times it is compounding is just one time only. So 8 by 100 because 8% it is. So when you convert percentage, it becomes by 100. And time for the first year is 1 year. Okay. So amount is equal to, you can solve this. And now for the second one, the amount is equal to 10,000. 1 plus 8 by 100 power 2. So the third one, it is amount is equals to principal 1 plus 8 by 100 power 3. Now you clearly see this is not arithmetic progression. It is exponentially increasing because it has a power. It has a power of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So it's not arithmetic progression. Okay, but you have to solve it and then tell me. Right? If you want
Yeah,
to solve it now, you can. Otherwise, I can give it to you as homework also because we already discussed it in the last class. So I guess you know the method now, right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Will you be able to do it, or you want me to do it again?
I will be able to do it.
Okay. Now we also first question was this much only converting statements into AP. The second question says write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Okay, so first four terms you have to write. The first is 10. So A1 is 10. Now A2, how you will write? You will use the formula A plus N minus 1 D, right? For A3 again, you will use the formula A plus N minus 1 D, A plus 4 minus 1 D, A plus 5 minus. So how many terms you have to write? Write first four terms. Okay. So this way you write the first four terms now. Just use the formula and write the first four terms. Do the first question you'll be able to do, I know. You do third one, do second one, and do fourth one. Then fifth you will do together. Right?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, let's discuss. The first one, when the first term is minus 2 and the common difference is 0, what are you getting as the terms of the equation? Put on your mic and speak, Mer.
All are -2, ma'am.
You get minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, now tell me, when the same number is being repeated, now do you think that's forming an AP or not? Shall I call it
Yeah,
AP or not?
it's an AP.
It's an AP, yeah. I'll not say that it's not an AP just because a number is being repeated. It will be an AP because the common difference is same only, even though it's 0, but it's same. So it is an AP. And the third one, first term is 4, common difference is minus 3. What are the other terms?
4, 1, -2, and -5.
4,
1, -2, and -5.
minus 2, and minus 5. Okay, that's correct. Next,
1, 3/2, 2, 5/2.
first term is minus 1. Then what is the second term?
The second term is 3/2.
Where do you hear me? Then
Yes, ma'am.
am I not?
Can you
Or is my voice lagging? Yeah, where am I audible? Is my voice lagging?
Yeah, ma'am, I can hear you.
The fourth one, Umair, minus 1, 3/2. Then next, what are the terms? You don't hear me?
I can hear you, but you're lagging.
What's happening with this class? 1 second. Okay, I'll just leave and rejoin the class.
Okay.
Yeah, Umair, do you hear me now? Umair, am I
Yes,
audible
ma'am, I can hear you.
now?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, put on your camera.
My camera is on.
1 minute. I'll change the settings. 1 second. You can tell me the answers by the time. Just read them.
Which ones?
The last one.
1, 3/2, 2, and 5/2.
Let's check the answers first. The first term is A. So A is equals to minus 1 and D is equals to 1/2, right? So what's supposed to be A2? A2 is supposed to be A plus n minus 1D. So n minus 1D becomes D only. So what's A now? Minus 1 and minus 1/2 you have to, right, man? So
Yeah.
Does this not become minus 3 by 2? Right? This becomes minus 3 by 2. What is D? 1 second. What is D? Minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 second. Plus. No problem. Plus, okay? So minus 1 and plus 1 by 2. Now how much does this become? This becomes minus 1 by 2. Not 3 by 2. It becomes minus 1 by 2. Then A3 is how much? A plus 2 into D. So this becomes minus 1 plus 1. Right? So this becomes 0. A4 is A plus 3D. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So how much does this become? 2 by 1 by 2. Just check the answers. So the answers is minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Your answers are wrong there. Just check what mistake have you done.
Yeah.
Done? You
Yeah.
got the mistake?
Yeah, man. Done.
Okay, so now we'll move ahead. Now the next one is A is minus 1.25 and D is 0.25. A is minus 1.25 and D is 0.25. Now again, what will A2 become? A2 becomes A plus D, right? Because A plus N minus 1D is A plus 1D, A plus D only directly I can write. So minus 1.25 plus 0.25. So you get minus 1 as your answer. Then A3 becomes A plus 2D. So this becomes minus 1.25. Actually, you can write directly also. A2 plus D also you can write. Okay. So we'll get what is A2 now? Minus 1. And what is D? 0.25. So it's minus 0.75. Then A4 will be A3 plus D. What's A3 now? Minus 0.75 and plus 0.25. So that's minus 0.5. Just copy this answer also.
Done, man.
1 second.
Kaya
Okay, let's move to the next one. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Now, this is again the same kind of question. The first term is 3. The common difference is 1 minus 3. See, now, first of all, you have to check also that whether it is an AP or not. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 1 is again minus 2, minus 3 minus 1 is again minus 2. So D is minus 2. Okay. Next, second question.
Yeah.
So, dinner time.
What, ma'am?
Is it your dinner time?
No, it's 6:40. That's chips.
No problem. Just solve it. After you've done this, yeah, we'll do the fourth question. Fourth one is a bit more interesting at least. So quickly do the third one.
The third one.
No, third one all parts. First one I did for you. Do second, third, and fourth.
Taking down.
You take this paper.
Keep it down and go. Go.
Okay, shall we discuss now? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, so tell me the answer.
The first one, A is -5 and B is 4. The
A is
second,
minus 5 and B you're getting as 4. Good.
The second one, A is 1 by 3 and D is 4 by 3.
5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3, correct? Next.
Next, A is 0.6 and B is 1.1.
Okay, that's it. Now we come to the fourth question. It says which of the following are repeats, and if they form an repeat, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. So for this, you will do question number 4. First do question number 4. Do it and tell me, we'll discuss.
And can you go a bit up? I can't read the question.
Yeah, Umair, have you done? Have you completed?
No, ma'am.
You do it fast. Where have you done now?
I'm doing that same one, but
Are you stuck?
yeah,
No problem. We'll discuss. First of all, you have to write the first term, right? So I know the first term is 3, and now you have to check whether it's forming an AP or not. So you know this is A1, A2, A3, and A4. So A2 minus A1 is how much? 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So that gives you root 2 as your answer. A3 minus A2 is how much? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. And now see, when you actually this is one whole term. So when you put minus sign, the minus sign is on the root 2 as well. Right? So how much does this become? 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 2 root 2 again. Then A4 minus A3. It becomes 3 plus 3 root 2 and minus 3 and then minus 2 root 2. So 3 minus 3 is again 0 and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is again root. So the D value comes to be root 2. A value is 3. We have to find other terms as well. Yeah, right? 3 more terms. So we have till A4. So what's A5 now? A5 is supposed to be A plus 4D. So 3 plus 4 root. Right? Then A6 is A plus 5D. So that's supposed to be 3 plus 5 root. Right? And you see clearly that here, see you have 3, then you have 3 plus root 2. So the difference is root 2 directly. Then one more root 2 you have added. So 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2, and so on. So it's clearly, even on seeing, you can tell that it's an EP. Right? So do you understand this? Where were you stuck? What did you not understand?
no, I switched the numbers.
Children often get confused with this minus sign. They do not put this minus sign on root 2. They just leave it as plus sign and then they're getting the wrong answer. Copy it quickly, then we'll move ahead.
Done now.
Next, you can do is this question. You can do a square, a cube, a to the power 4. Now, this might seem to be you as an AP, but actually it's not an AP. Why is it not an AP? See, can you subtract a square minus a? Can you do
No,
this? No.
no,
Why? Because these are unlike terms. Whenever the power is different, then you cannot subtract them. Similarly, you cannot subtract a3 minus a. You cannot subtract a4 minus a3 and so on. So you're not adding or subtracting anything, but you're multiplying a thing. You're multiplying a every time. So this is not an AP. That's wrong. So this is not an AP only at its first place. This one is also not an AP. This is clear multiplication of 3. 3 is stable, not an AP. This is an AP, A2, A3, A4, A and so on. Okay, now this one, root 2, root 8, root 18. Now you might say that, ma'am, we cannot subtract this as well. Right? How can you subtract root 8 minus root? But if I open up root 8, what is another way of writing root 8? We can also write root 8 as 2 root 2. Right? You know how? Can I write root 8 as 2 root 2 as well? See, I'll just prime factorize 8 and I get 2 into 4, 2 into 2 and 2 into 1. So that means under root of 8 is actually equal to under root of 2 into 2 into 2. Right? And now 2 is in a paired condition. So it will come out of the under root. So it becomes 2 and then this root 2 is left inside the bracket. So 8 root 2 can also be written as 2 root. Then 18,
yeah,
root 18, how can we break down? So first of all, you write root 2. Second term is 2 root 2. And this is actually 3 root 2. Let's check. We have 18. This prime factorize it. 2 9 times, 3 3 times, 3 1 time. So now 3 will come out of the bracket and root 2 remains. So the second one is 3 root 2. The third one is 32. So it's 4 root 2. And so on. Right?
Yes.
So this one, now the 8th one is a similar pattern only like the 7th one. The next one is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. This is not an EP, but still you will, how will you do it? You will first write the terms. The terms are 1, 9, 25, 49 and so on. And now you know that you are not getting the similar terms.